So this is the dissection of the brain. We're going to start out with this part of the brain. This whole part right here is the cerebrum. The little purple lines here are the sulci, and then this part, these parts here are the gyri. They're responsible for creating surface area of the brain, increasing that, which allows more neurons to make up the brain, as well as to increase the brain's function because of the amount of neurons that it can hold because of the increased surface area. And so we're going to move to this part right here, which is the corpus callosum, and that's responsible for connecting both the left and right sides of the brain by nerves. This part right here is the septum pellucidum, which as well acts as a barrier and connects both hemispheres, the left and the right as well. And we're going to move down to the thalamus here. The thalamus relays signals related to motor and sensory functions over to the cerebral cortex. And then we have the cerebral adjunct, which is down in this area. That's responsible for connecting the third and fourth ventricles to the mental-encephalon region, and it contains cerebral spinal fluid as well. This is the cerebellum here. The cerebellum is responsible for receiving info related to different parts of the nervous systems, the spinal cord, sensory systems, and also regulates motor functions related to voluntary actions, which are actions that we make ourselves that the body does not automatically carry out. And then down here we have the spinal cord. The spinal cord is responsible for receiving and sending signals between the central and the peripheral nervous systems, and receiving information and sending out those actions for the body to make through the nerves. On the inside of the spinal cord, we have the central canal that's responsible for carrying nutrients. It provides protection, and it as well contains